judgment, 'cause I'm just 22. Your mind just runs circles, my heart's out in the rain. I know that this is sudden, but do you feel the same? Do you feel the same? Do you feel that I can't make my mind up? I don't know what to do. Trying to be honest, I point of view. So tell me that you're leaving, but I wish you would stay. Think that this is worth it, but do you feel the same? 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 But if you're thinking not today, I'd rather have the truth than start a love that's fake. And baby, tell me if you need your space. But if you're feeling lonely, I'm an hour away. I know you told me, baby, but do you feel the same? 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 Baby girl, do you feel the same? You feel the same? Baby, do you feel the? I see you pulling up to meet me in your car. I know you didn't have to drive, you don't live far from me. I know we're friends, but baby, something's on your mind. So I apologize for taking all this time, but I got to tell you. Now can I pretend I don't feel like I do? No, can I pretend I don't feel like I do? No, so should I pretend that the feeling isn't true? No, can I pretend I don't feel like I do? Well, I feel like I do.
A hot dog up there? I don't want those slices.
Me too.
I'm ready. I think I will, that's good. Look. There.
Did you really think we'll make a lucky time? Girl, you know you're the one I want, it's true. If you only knew that I'm prepared to, could I hesitate if I don't wanna leave this way? If there's something
Listen and
Learn.
learn. Yeah, you
He's not walking. He's walking.
okay, see ya.
See ya, Mom.
See ya. Love you too. See ya. Bye.
Is your mom love you?
Yeah.
Are to be. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. Face it, you think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our light. Throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors. I'm holding the key. One step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. And throw our problems in the flames. Ooh, throw our problems in the flames. I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
What you did was meaningless. What's the point of your coldness? I cannot sleep with your eyes on me, they burning. So that you know me in and out. Need you to push back all those sprouts of insecurity. I won't have it to emphasize that. If only I could
apart in another life. In another life, someone must have ripped me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life. In another life, otherwise I don't know why I keep coming back to this. Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to give. I don't know why I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. I got an issue with trust. Really better open up.
Hi, Granny. Where did you go?
160.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worried that it won't be enough. Yeah. Someone must have made me feel bad, but who I was and what I had to give. Oh, someone must have told me a lie, really played with my mind in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this. Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to give. I don't know why I just can't believe it. Like somehow I can't. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Oh, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. But it doesn't mean no. It keeps feeling like everybody keeps winning. The world keeps on spinning, but without me. But without me, oh. It keeps feeling like I stay blind to something that everybody else seems to see. Everybody but me, oh. It keeps feeling like I can feel it all. Tell myself that I'm better off being free. Yeah. But really I'm just afraid that you just afraid. Do it to feel. Cause yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. There's nothing to me in the world. Oh, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. There's an issue for both.
Heart cold, whisper gently saying you don't know how to keep on trying. It shows something's changing in me. It shows now I'm hardly breathing. There's no guideline, way to go. Move like a Rona without a goal. That goes to let's be baby, get this. Now be baby, get this. Ooh, 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 ooh. But we both know. So why can't we just give it a go? So back to life. when with you.
Good afternoon, mag to 12:55 na and naka-ready na ako para mamaya pag-pick up kay Holly kasi after ko siyang pick upin, diretso kami sa Mount para sa dance lesson niya. And today is, anong date na ba ngayon? Today is September 25, Monday, and eto pala yung last week of school kasi mayroon silang spring holiday. So, last week na. So, sa Friday, maaga sila. Uwi, mga 2:30. Pero ngayon, 3:20 ang uwi nila. And kagabi, prepare ko na yung aming dinner for tonight. Kasi nga, gabi na kami. Hindi naman gabi. Hapon na kami makakauwi ni Holly. So, eto yung i-adobo ko. Tapos, eto, hiwain ko siya ng maninipis. I-air fry ko. And ipa-fry. Hopefully, may time akong matapos to. And nilabas ko na din yung kay Jan, yung schnitzel, beef schnitzel. So, ipa-fried ko yan. Ang kanyang terno. Yung kanyang, terno ng kanyang schnitzel ay mashed potato. Sa mga bata, magluluto na ako ng rice. Ano na siya, para maluto na siya habang ako na ihiwa. So, 4 cups to. Ayan. 4 cups. Gamit ko yung kamerang, guys, yung isa kong Sony. Para naman magamit siya kasi hindi ko na siya nagagamit. And hopefully, wag umulan kasi yung mga sinampay ko doon, baka hindi matuyo. And eto din, ano ko na pala ito, ipaboil ko na siya. Ito yung minarinate natin. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Amoy bawang. Amoy bawang na bawang siya. So, eto lang naman yung ating gagawin. Kasi tapos na ako, nakapaglinis na, tupi. And kagabi, hindi ko natupi kasi ito yung inasikaso ko. Kasi mamaya, wala na akong time para magluto. Kaya kanina ko na yung tinupi yung ating mga tupi and then linis. And hindi ako nakapag-walking kasi late ako nagising. Nagising na ako mga guys, mga magsi-7. Nauna pa si Sak sa akin nagising. So, magsi-7. Naglagay lang ako ng tubig. Tapos, pakulang ko to. Plano ko sana, mga 5:45 ako gigising. Para makapag-walking ako. Hindi ako nakapag-walking kasi naubos na yung oras ko sa gawaing bahay. And, ayos na rin ako para mamaya ready na ako papuntang Mount. And ngayon, ito, gagawin ko na para may pagkain kami mamaya. And natin yung chopping board. So, hiwain ko lang to ng maninipis. And si Jan, nakanap siya habang naglilinis ako kanina. Dumating siya nung naglilinis ako. Hiwain ko lang siya ng kasi air fry ko para yung mag-dry. Ayan. Gawin ko lang yung ating adobo. And, gagamit ulit tayo nito. Ito yung nabili ko sa Shein ba yun? Lagay natin ito sa air fryer. Minsan, binubuka ko siyang ganito para madami akong malagay. Sana matapos ko to bago ko pick upin si Holly. I-dry lang naman natin to sa air fryer. Kasi ipa-fried ko pa to eh. And after nito, mag-iwan ako ng patatas para sa mashed potato nila para palambot ko na rin, mapakuluan. Next is mag-build tayo ng patatas. Siguro 3 kasi si Jan lang naman. 4 kasi maliliit pala ito. So 4 lang. Si Johnny ko lang naman magmamash potato. Dumating na yung in-order namin na jumper nung naglaro si Sak sa Adelaide. Kung maalala nyo yun. School Sport South Australia. Tapos may pangalan ni Sak. So yun, dumating na yung ni Saki Boy, jumper. Check ko na yung ating pork. Buti na lang hindi umulan. Para matuyo yung sinampay ko doon. Next natin itong potatoes. Pakukuluan natin. Time check is 1:35. Where are you going?
Breakfast.
Okay.
Get some big bones.
Alright, at least it dyan. At least nakapag-knock siya. Hindi siya nagising nung nagwa-vacuum ako. Yung adobo natin ay luto na. So, ilipat ko ito dito. Para dito ko lutuin yung schnitzel ni Johnny Boy. So, yung rice, luto na rin. So, yung rice natin ay luto na. Okay. Time check, 2:31 na. And meron ako ditong pinapainit na 2 maliit na kawali or skillet. Kasi piprituin ko yung in-air fry natin na pork belly. Meron pa akong nakasalang doon. Tinanggal ko lang para marinig nyo ako habang nagsasalita. And yung inadobo natin na pork belly, piprituhin ko din. So, unahin na natin to. Sana matapos ko siya bago mag 3 o'clock. Kasi pupunta pa ako sa school ni Holly para pick upin siya. Usually, nagbabike si Holly. Oh, ayan na. Puputok na siya. Saan nakikita nyo? Yan, tatlo lang muna. Huwag lang sa mukha. Huwag ka lang sa mukha kung butok. At sa aking paa. Sa jacket, okay lang. Okay. Tapos na itong ating adobo. Lagay na natin yung sauce. Yan. And ito yung ating fried crispy pork belly. Ayan yung ating pumuputok na. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Ayan. Yung para siyang nagbabubbles. So, meron pa tayo sa air fryer. Yun na lang. Hopefully, mapritos. Bicol yan. Hopefully, maprito ko bago ako magsundo kay Holly. Kasama ko lang yung talsik dito. Kasi pumutok yung ating pork belly. Pero pwede na itong yung sa air fryer. Para magtapos na. Kasi gagawin ko pa yung sauce ng schnitzel ni Johnny Boy. Kasama ko lang yung talsik dito. Kasi pumutok yung ating pork belly. Pero pwede na itong yung sa air fryer. Para magtapos na. Kasi gagawin ko pa yung sauce ng schnitzel ni Johnny Boy. Yan po pala tayong isang gagawin. Habang pinipito natin yun, gawin ko na yung sauce para kay Johnny Boy. Mayroon ko dito tomato sauce na mayroon siyang mga herbs. Gagawin ko ay Hawaiian pizza topping. Hawaiian topping sa kanyang schnitzel. Ay, nandito yung ating mga herbs. Huwag mo akong putukan. Huwag kang pututok. Ayan. Oops. Lagyan lang natin siya ng more herbs. Ketchup. Or tomato sauce. Ketchup sa atin, di ba? Dito tomato sauce. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Hala, malapit na mag-alas-3. At least, patapos na ako. Ano na lang, yung pinagprituhan ko na lang ang hugasan. Then, konting asukal. Nilagay ko muna dito yung asukal para hindi siya matalsikan ng oil. And meron ako dito pineapple. So, assemble na natin ito. Assemble na natin ito. Okay, mamaya na yung veggies ni Johnny Boy. Parang tapos na to. Igilid na muna natin yung mga tapos na. Okay, more. Bago ko gawin yung kay Johnny Boy. Yung kay Johnny Boy na lang ang ating last. Alas-3 na talaga. Alas-3 na. Ay! 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 Nagagalit siya, nagagalit. Hanggang yung floor ko ay may mga oil na. Okay. Alright. Next is yung cheese. Cheese. Ibalik ko muna itong mga ito para walang kalat ba? Walang kalat sa ating pamilya. Dito ko muna ilagay yung herbs sa pine tree kasi galit ang aking pork belly. Ay! Ayan na, tumalsik. Kung makikita nyo, kasi maglayo yung camera natin. Tapos mamaya, ina-microwave na lang to para mag-melt yung cheese. Kumusta na yung aking ano? Ay, tapos na to. Okay na to. Okay, tapos na natin iprito lahat ng pork belly. Ito na lang kay Jan. Tatakpan ko na lang naman to kasi mamaya pa to. I-melt yung kanyang cheese. May time pa ako maghugas and mag-clean up. 5 minutes na lang, mag-alas-3 na. Oops. Veggies na lang ito mamaya. Ayan guys. Tapos, ang Hawaiian schnitzel ni Johnny Boy. Okay, magugas muna ako. Pinupunasan ko yung floor kasi ang daming talsik ng oil and madulas siya. Hindi ko lang makikita nyo pero ayan, kumuha ko ng isang damit na hindi na ginagamit ng mga bata. Para yan yung aking ipang kuskus dyan. And tingnan nyo yung ating stove or ating induction, guys. Ayan. Hindi ko na makikita nyo. Pero ayan yung talsik na lilinisan ko. Ayan, pati yung wall. And ayan yung adobo. Okay, linis muna ako dito. Tapos na ako dito guys sa kusina and napunasan ko na yung mga talsik ng oil sa ating induction at saka dito sa floor. Ang natitira ko na lang nahugasan ay yung pinagprituhan natin nito at saka nung adobo. And nagawa ko rin si dyan ng mixed vegetable. So tatakpan ko lang to ng aluminum foil para mamaya initin na lang. So yan, anong oras na? 3:10, 3:15 ang labas ng mga bata. So alis na ako, pipikakbing ko lang si Holly, takpang ko lang ang mga to. And diretso na kami sa town. Si Jan wala, umalis siya, diba? So mamaya na lang ulit.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.